Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. In today's video, we are going to cover a formal black tie wedding that took place at the Westin Hotel Ballroom in Huntsville, Alabama. Now, when selecting venues, a lot of times hotel ballrooms are the number one go-tos. And I like to look for things in these venues like outdoor areas to have the wedding ceremony. I also like to look at other benefits or amenities of the venue that may offer good photo opportunities for the wedding on the day of the wedding. And so this particular hotel had this beautiful kind of semi-arch structure that was already built into the hotel. The grass that was perfect for an outdoor wedding, perfect for a late summer, early fall, late fall wedding. And I just thought it was going to be perfect because this was a black tie event. And so my florist team did this in all live florals, you guys. It was absolutely, positively gorgeous. It was so gorgeous, and we just used the traditional white folding chairs on the lawn part, and we did them kind of at an angle. As for the floral work, we use hydrangeas, spray roses. We use a lot of baby's breath, eucalyptus, and it just turned out so gorgeous, you guys. Let me tell you, a lot of times baby's breath has been coined as a cheap flower, but it can be extremely elegant, especially for a black tie wedding. It was also important for us to include a little bit of the wedding decor in the outdoor seating area, so I monogrammed the pillows using the Cricut and also added some small floral arrangements outside at the seating area. We also wanted to carry that beauty inside for the cocktail hour, and I just used some black velvet table linens and added white florals using some small vases from the Dollar Tree, and it turned out absolutely gorgeous as well. Now here is where the reception took place. This is your typical meeting room, just typical brown chairs, carpet, and a lot of times people just use what's there and add florals in for the reception, but I wanted to do a complete transformation. So the first thing that I did was I wanted the floor to go away. So we grounded the floor with a custom dance floor, a vinyl decal, and it turned out beautifully. Also on the tables, we did an arrangement of centerpieces. A lot of times individuals are afraid to mix and match centerpieces, but you guys, when you're having a large scale black tie wedding of this magnitude, it is perfectly fine to use an array of centerpieces. I think we used a total of 5 different centerpieces, which included the floating centerpieces that you see on this table, along with the small butt vases included, and I will show some other ones with you, share some other ones with you as we go along in today's video. Now, one of the reasons we love the Westin is that they set the tables, and that is such a huge impact on the day of the wedding when you're spending so much time getting everything together. Now, it was also important for me to incorporate all of the different centerpieces on the head tables because I wanted it to, kind of ground the floor area. You guys see those monogram napkins again. The Cricut, you guys, I am telling you, it is the way to go. So we monogrammed the napkins with their new last name initial. And the great part about that is that after the wedding, they were able to wash those and take them home and use them in their home as well. On this particular table, we did the floral runners on either side. We also did a runner of bud vases and candles mixed together, some taller centerpieces and taller candelabras, and it turned out absolutely amazing. I've shared these bud vases with you guys time and time again on Amazon, and I will leave those linked down below for you so that you can check those out. We also use these triangular centerpieces. If I can find them online, I will link them down below for you. We included the real roses on the inside instead of using candles because these were not the best quality, and so real candles were a bit heavy for what I would have wanted to do. So these worked out fine, and again, I incorporated the floating candle centerpieces. So if you're counting, we have incorporated now three different centerpieces with the gold and bling trumpet vase, reversible trumpet vase with the roses and the beautiful baby's breath mixed inside of the roses. And so I absolutely love this. And again, we incorporated candlelight on every single table, and we used the monogram on the actual napkin, and it just turned out beautiful. Again, this is a black tie event. Now, these metal boxes, or I've shared with you guys before on Amazon, and what we did was we wanted the height of the box, so we did a lower floral centerpiece in this middle of those boxes, and we put it inside of a compote vase, and it looked so elegant and so classy on this table, and it just really blended well with everything in the room. We had a lot of highs, a lot of lows, and it was just important for us to mix that all together. And here is kind of a full scale of what that room looked like with all of the different centerpieces and candle lights and pops of black, white, and gold. It was the perfect black tie wedding. Now, when we did the runners, we wanted to also incorporate that baby's breath to give it that light and airy and heavenly look and feel. And everyone was so enthralled with the way that it looked. Now, we also did up lights and a decal on the wall, but for the purposes of this video, the lights were turned up so that you guys could see the centerpieces. So here are the lights turned down, all of the candles lit. This is kind of a view of kind of what the space looked like. It was so beautiful and romantic. This was my mirrored table that we used for the bride and the groom. It was just absolutely gorgeous, you guys. This is what the stage looked like. Again, we took that same greenery that you guys saw on the outside, placed it on the inside, and we did it at the bottom right hand side of the table and the top left hand side of the table. And I also included some stemmed candle glassware to kind of mix it all in, and it just, you guys, you just had to see it in person. Like, I tried to capture the beauty of it as much as I possibly could in this video, but it was absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. And the table, I mean, the table was just really over the top. Napkin rings from totallydazzled.com. It just looks so beautiful and so thrilled. And so with that being said, you guys, I'm going to give you a little music for your listening pleasure so that you can watch the remaining of this video and what the room looked like. And before we do the final reveal of the lounge area at this beautiful black tie wedding, I want to take the opportunity to tell you guys about my online and in-person school, Luxe Academy. I started this back in 2017, 2018 to teach aspiring event planners and designers alike all of the ins and out about event planning, event design, and event decor. Once a quarter, I do host classes in person so that you could also get that hands-on experience. However, once you complete it, whether you're online or in person, you will be certified as an event planner or an event designer. This is not the actual certificate for obvious reasons, but I wanted to give you an example of what it looks like. Now, my next class will be in October 2023. I will leave my link here for you guys to check it out. And if you're watching this video and this class has passed, please visit us at luxeacademy.online or melanieturner.design to see a copy of our upcoming curriculum. Once you complete our course, you will have everything you need in order to progress as an event planner, an event designer, or an event decorator. We also have payment plans available, so definitely check it out if you would like to become certified as an event planner, an event designer, or an event decorator. Now back to our video. So to wrap up the final reveal of the room, we decided to add this seating area because we had a lot of extra space up front. And we added in again the hydrangeas, roses, and baby's breath on either one of the gold bars. And then we created just kind of a luxury seating area. The settee that you see there can be found on Amazon as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this type of content. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!